Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download OiTube application on your iPhone. So the first thing to do is to open your App Store and go to the search box and type in OiTube and search. Look for this application that says OiTube Video and Music Browser. Soon after you see this interface, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app and get started with the download process. Once the application gets downloaded, you can tap on the Open button to open the app on your iOS device. So that's how you will be able to download the OiTube application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.